PSA to everyone out there as an investor, it is not all rosy, and sometimes there is turbulence in these processes.
Correct. Yeah. So we'll continue to make the best of the market. There are plenty of opportunities, and I think it's just a very exciting time. We all know it. The hard challenge is definitely on raising equity because you talk to investors and they have emotions. They just got capital called or they just lost money, and it's very difficult for someone psychologically to just double down and invest right now, even though logically they know. I mean, I was on the phone with a private equity firm it's a JV firm, and he said, yeah, I know that right now is a good time for common equity, but we just can't do it. You know, our investors are burned on a couple of our bad deals, and we just can't do it anymore at this moment. So that's what feeds and perpetuates these cycles. Is even though everyone knows that you got to buy low and you've got to sell high, psychologically it's very difficult to do because guess what happens when things go low? You also get hurt. So it's hard to double down. So right now it's just about keeping our heads down and just continuing to invest and move forward.
Not only is it the best time to invest right now, but when the market's distressed, when you want to invest. But unfortunately, when things are down like that, it's not just one thing that's down. It's probably the economy that's generally down. People are obviously a little bit more holding tight on their dollars than they were before when the economy is super fluffed up, right? So that's also another factor that we've got to push through and deal through right now is, conveying to people why now is the time and why, this deal will work out, better than projected potentially and all things like that. So it's the unfortunate reality, equity raising is getting harder and harder, although allegedly from all the articles I'm seeing, it's, JV dollars are kind of flowing back into the market. But in my conversations in, Rhode Island and Dana Point, I just, I'm struggling to believe that narrative until I've seen it more truly.